Hi, I'm Sherry from Crandall Office Furniture. Today we are going to be swapping the seat mechanisms on a Leap V1 chair. So the reason why you might want to swap your seat mechanism, if you're doing an upholstery exchange and your chair has the two handles, has the forward tilt, we no longer have the forward tilt available here. So when we're sending you your new cushion, you're only going to have the one handle on your seat. So I'm going to walk you through how to remove this mechanism and replace it with this mechanism so you can send back the one that has one handle and you can keep your dual handle. So the tools we need are going to be an impact, a number 2 bit, a number 3 bit, or a T25 bit to remove the big screws from the center. So the first thing we're going to do, there are 11 screws that we need to remove around the outside edge here. So I'm going to take all of these out. Okay, once you have those screws out, you're going to remove the plastic cover, set it to the side. We're going to swap out our bit, and we're going to remove the screws here and here. Going to remove your shield. Once you have all of the screws removed, you're going to pull down on this part right here, and you're just going to lift the entire mechanism out. Like so. So now that we've removed the screws and the mechanism from the first, we're now going to do it with the second one that has the dual handle on it. I'm switching to my number 3 bit so I can take out the screws in the center. And on the outside. Again, we're going to pull this all the way back, and I like to lift with both handles, and you pull it out. After you have it out, now we're going to put it back in. So you're going to want to hold it by the two handles. I like to put it in the bottom part first, and then slide it into the top. We're going to put our shield back on. Make sure that your piece goes right back around this bar. We put our cover back on. When I put these screws in, I like to do them across from each other. So I'll start here, and I go right across from it. So I'll go over here. There we go. You're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at www.crandalloffice.com or on Facebook, and please like and subscribe. They have it down pat, maybe. My husband does all of the guy's stuff, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the, nope, like so. Where my little bit went. You're gonna have to edit that out. Did you see me doing that? Please cut that whole thing out. I'm gonna want to reshoot that. Hopefully you can fast forward to that too. I'm switching to, are we still going? Yeah. Yeah, it stinks. Nope, nope, okay. Is that good? And please like and subscribe. Thank you. That was weak.